In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Today our topic is syllabus for the Law Graduate Assessment Test Law GAT. So Law GAT is most important for your practicing lawyer when you have to practice for the High Court, and an advocate High Court is also need to pass the GAT. You must clear your graduation after 6 months. You have to clear the GAT. So it is important question, what is the syllabus of the guest? To get syllabus we will discuss. So first of all, constitution and constitution history, like cases. Constitution of Pakistan and constitution cases is most important for your GAT. And first of all, first case is the Maulvi Tamizuddin versus Governor General of Pakistan, PLD, Pakistan Legal Decision 1955, Federal Shariat Court, 240 page. This is the most important. The State versus Doso and other, PLD 1958, Supreme Court, 53 page is also important. Third, Miss Asma Jalani versus Government of Pakistan, PLD 1972, Supreme Court, 139 is also important. Begum Nusrat Bhutto versus Chief of Army Staff, PLD 1977, Supreme Court, 657 is also important. Muhammad Nawaz versus President of Pakistan, Pakistan Legal Decision 1993, Supreme Court is also important. Al Jihad Trust versus Federation of Pakistan Judges Cases, Pakistan Legal Decision 1996, Supreme Court, 324 is also important. Zafar Ali Shah and other versus General Pervez Musharraf, Chief Executive of Pakistan, PLD 2000, Supreme Court, 869. Khalid Asfandiar versus Khan Asfandiar Wali versus and other, Federation of Pakistan, Pakistan Legal Decision 2001, Supreme Court, 607 is also important. These are the 7 cases of the constitutional history you must know about the cases. We talk about the Constitution 1973, fundamental rights from preamble, Articles 40, Parliament, Article 59, 50 to 89, the jurisprudence, Article 175 to 212 is also important for your GAT. You can say that 5 marks from your case and 10 marks from your constitution and 5 marks from your international law. International law, in the United Nations Charter, International Court of Justice, this is the 5 marks. 5, 10 and 5. These are total 20 marks. Okay. International law, constitutional cases 5 marks, and constitutional Pakistan is the 10 marks. For passing the GAT test, when you have to get 20 marks, you must about the cases and you must know about the Pakistan constitution, you must know about the international law. International law, 2 main topics, United Charter and the International Court of Justice, only 5 marks. Next is jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is the 20 marks, English jurisprudence and Islamic jurisprudence. English jurisprudence by Sir John Salman for LL.B student. Islamic jurisprudence by Professor Imran Ahsan Khan Niazi. 5% total, 10 marks from the jurisprudence. Civil Procedure Code, 20 marks. Only CPC. CPC from, for example, 12, 15, 20, 47, 75, 96, 104, 115, 151 sections is most important for your GAT. Order 1, 6 to 9, 39, 41 and 43 are orders are most important for your GAT. CPC has only 20 marks. Just CPC had 20 marks. Because jurisprudence has 10 marks and Constitution International both have 20 marks. You can say that 20 and 10, 30 marks. And 20 marks from CPC, 50 marks. 50 marks we have almost clear, and for, as you know, that 50 marks is enough to pass your GAT. But if you have to further get marks and you have to for the knowledge and for your best trial, so you must know about the criminal law, CRPC, PPC, CRPC, and the law of evidence and professional ethics. Like 50 marks will cover from these topics. Criminal law, PPC, Chapter 2, Explanation and definition is most important for your GAT. Chapter 4 General Exceptions. Chapter 16 Offenses against the human body. Chapter 16a Wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement. Chapter 17 Offenses against property like theft, extortion, dacoity. These are the most important for your GAT. 10 marks from this criminal law and 10 marks CRPC. PPC and CRPC both had 20 marks and 10 marks, you can say. Chapter 1 Parliamentary Preliminary. Chapter 5 Arrest, Escape and Retaking. Chapter 17 Process to compel the production of the document and others movable property for the discovery of the person wrongfully confined. Chapter 8 Security for keeping the peace for the good behavior. Chapter 10 Public Nuisance. Chapter 11 Temporary orders in urgent cases in nuisance of nuisance and apprehended danger. Chapter 14 Introduction Information to the police and their powers to investigate FIR first information report. Chapter 16 Complaints to magistrate. Chapter 17 Commencement of the proceedings before court. Chapter 31 of appeals. Chapter 39 relating to the bail. So 20 marks from CRPC and 10 marks from PPC, 10 marks of CRPC, both have 20 marks. Law of ethics has 10 marks and law of evidence has 20 marks. These are the 20 marks, 20 plus 10, 30 marks. You can say that 20 plus 10, 30, and CRPC and PPC 50, and next 50 marks from this CPC, jurisprudence and constitution have 20 marks. International law is also. So first of all, law of evidence, convince others, complete 20 marks. Professional ethics 10 marks. Now we will count all the marks. In summary, I will tell you constitution, mm, constitution, Islamic jurisprudence and CPC have 50 marks. Plus international law. International law is also part, we can say, the constitution, because it is also rated as only 5 marks. And 5 marks of the cases, 10 marks, and 10 marks from the constitution, 30 marks, 20 marks, and 10 marks from the jurisprudence, 30 marks, and 10 marks from 20 marks from your CPC, 50 marks, and 20 marks from your PPC and CRPC, 10. And these are the 20 marks, and 20 marks from your QSO and 10 marks from your ethical profession. These are the total 100 marks. Just you have to pass 50 marks. When you got 50 marks, then you able to practice in high court. 50 marks are the passing marks. So inshallah next video we will discuss in detail all the subjects for the objective type. Okay, yes, you can screenshot. I have right there CPC, cases, constitution, international law and jurisprudence have 50 marks. Okay, 50 marks will cover from these subjects. 50 marks will cover from these subjects. No, it is totally up to you what you have to clear from these topics, and you have to clear these topics. Okay, it is totally depend on your interest. If you cover this all subjects, it is very good, because then you know about CPC, case, constitution and international law and jurisprudence, both Islamic and English. Then you can get 50 marks. If you get PPC, CRPC, professional ethics and QS, so you will get 50 marks. These are the two main pairs for the GAT. Okay, it is essential for your pass. First part your 50 marks, second part your this 50 marks. Okay. If you have any question, if you pass your GAT, you can join our academy. Our academy will for your part. We give you guarantee for pass your test. We charge 5,000 fees for passing your GAT. But if you are our student and if you cannot pay, then we will can discount at 20%. If we will say if sometime some students cannot pay our fee because they are not earned, so they mostly pay their fees after the passing graduation assessment test. When we contract them after passing graduation test, they pay us. But first installment you have to pay 2,500. You must have to pay first, and second 2,500 you can pay later. Okay, but 5,000 pay fees for your exams we charge. Okay, to pass your exams you will have to pay 5,000 fee. Okay, if you have to preparation from our academy you will have to 5,000 fees, and we will give you a shorty to pass your test inshallah. If you do not pass we will return you back 5,000. Okay, so for a shorty you can join our academy, and without and delaying your wasting time, do not waste your time at social media, and join our academy for your GAT. Inshallah we will completely guide you. We will take your test, we will tell you about the exam pattern, we will tell you about the important MCQs, we will tell you unimportant MCQs, we will tell you complete concept about the MCQs, and we will also tell you the complete uh, get how to complete your get at time. Okay, so don't worry, we will meet next video. We'll see next